Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a much requested video and this is my natural take on a Valentine's look. This took me like literally 5 minutes and it is still so pretty though. I think it just is more of a natural look and more of a maybe daytime appropriate, or if you're not someone who wears a lot of makeup, this will make you feel glam but not too overdone. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so first today I'm just gonna be grabbing this concealer. It's the Maybelline Better Skin. And this is just a drugstore concealer, and I'm just gonna put this in my normal spots. I did already do my foundation off camera just to save some time, but I'll link it below. So this is a really nice concealer from the drugstore. It doesn't give a full coverage, but it still adds a little bit of coverage, and it's just a lot more lightweight. So for more of a natural look, this looks like a ton, but I promise when I blend it out, it won't be so crazy. So then I'm just gonna be taking this e.l.f. brush. It just looks like this. It's just like a soft tapered top, and I'm just gonna pat this in because if you rub, you're gonna take away more of the product, and we wanna keep as much as we can. And when I'm not doing a dark eye, I just do my skin first. That's just how I am. But you just do you. Okay, and that is the concealer finish. Then I'm just gonna take a powder. You can use whatever pressed powder you have or loose powder, whatever you prefer. And I'm just gonna be using my same MAC powder with a big fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna go over my whole face with that. If you have drier skin, I would just skip doing your whole face and just set your concealer. Okay, and then for more of our natural look, I am gonna take that same bronzer, this Lorac Tantalizer one. It's super pretty, just with my big fluffy brush, and instead of contouring today, I'm just gonna give myself an all over bronze. So for this, we wanna do the 3E motion. So you don't have to be careful with this. We're just adding a little bit of color. So make sure you get your temples, your forehead up here, your cheekbones, and under your jaw. And I like to use more of a glowy bronzer for this one because it's just gonna give it more of a light and a luminous look. You could use your matte bronzer too though, it doesn't really matter. Just kind of depends what look you're going for. I'm just grabbing this matte pink blush from Makeup Forever, and I'm just gonna hit back here on my cheekbones and then bring it forward. I used to hate blush and never wear it, but now I'm like kind of obsessed with it. What I like to do is just use my bronzer and a fluffy brush, just a crease brush, and I'm just gonna dip into that bronzer. So whatever you used for your face, and just put that right in your crease. It doesn't really matter if you're precise with it or not, you just have to throw it in there. And you can put it on your lid as well. I'm just gonna grab my Dose of Colors Desi and Kitty palette quick. I've used this one before. And I'm just gonna dip into one of the matte browns in this. You can use your bronzer if you have a matte bronzer, or just a light brown, whatever you wanna do. And I'm just gonna put this in my crease just to define it just a little bit more, because the bronzer I used wasn't very dark. It had more of just a glow to it. And then in the palette, it has like a pretty shimmery nude color, and I'm just gonna grab that on my finger and just put that on my lid. But feel free to use your highlighter for this, or any shimmery white that you have. It's just gonna give you a little bit of a sparkle. Okay, and then for brows, I'm just gonna use this Maybelline Brow Drama. It looks just like this. It's just like a mascara for your eyebrows, and I'm not gonna even go in and fill them in. I'm just gonna put this over them. It just has like a good spoolie on the end of it, and it'll put a little bit of gel in your brows. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just gonna go in and curl my lashes. I'm gonna skip doing falsies today. Then I'm just gonna go in with any mascara. This is just a sample one I have from MAC. And just coat your top and bottom lashes. I'm gonna grab this Bobbi Brown in English Rose. It's just one of their Art Stick with liquid lips. It's the mini one, but I really love this color. I love these lips because they're really comfortable, but they're matte, but they're like really creamy too, and they're minty, so It's just really easy to keep in your purse and throw it on, and it's kind of neutral, but it also gives you a little bit of a color. Okay, and then last but not least, I am gonna add a little bit of a highlighter. This is one of the ones that I love, that is rose gold. This is one of the Maybelline ones that I always talk about in the rose gold shade, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on. Okay guys, and this is the final look. This is just my natural take on a Valentine's night or day, date, whatever you're doing, or with your girls. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Also, please subscribe and like this video if you liked it. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll leave it right down here. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.